members, with more than 30 years of work experience.
That's
so
amazing.
We are,
Wow.
So we are not the prime target customers as far as shopping is concerned, but I think we had to put in more effort than the usual because this was a very different field for us.
I'm sure. Yeah.
But
because you always feel that there must be one women founder behind this amazing idea.
And that would have been great, but it was not to be. But what helped us was that because we didn't know the stuff very well, we did a lot of listening.
Okay.
We spoke to target customers. We spoke to retailers. We did a lot of conversation, lot of listening, and that somewhere helped us. We started with a clean slate rather than
coming with some prejudgment about
exactly.
it. So here's a man who listens to women and who understands women's shopping.
Yes.
So if I may, put a term to it, Hemant, I feel this app is very much a personal shopping advisor app.
It is. In fact, what we are trying to do is making this app answer all your questions about offline shopping.
Okay. So can you really highlight a little more about Shopaholics? Because a lot of my users, I'm sure mothers are having this app on their mobile phone, and others who don't have, like if you can tell them why should they have this on their mobile. So and you are there on iOS and Android both?
We have, so as we speak, we are on iOS as an app.
Wow.
We are on Android.
Okay.
We have web presence. Do check us at shopholics.com.
Okay, lovely.
Today we have 3,000 stores listed on the app.
Wow.
Across Mumbai, all the markets, all the malls, everything.
Amazing.
And we have more than 40,000 shoppers actually working on the app.
Okay.
So there is a lot of traction already. We are getting good response both from the retailer and the shopper. And coming to your question, what we are trying to do is making offline shopping a great experience. So how are we helping? So the first element where we are helping a shopper is on information.
Okay.
You ask for it and you get it.
Okay.
You've come here to meet me. You have some time at hand. Where should you shop for?
Okay. One second, Hemant. I suppose it's buffering. I should just check it once. On Momo, it's buffering. Yeah, it's going good now. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
So, you want to know where your favorite store is in an area which you are not too aware about, you will get to know that. You want to know where the offers are running, you get that. You are not really sure whether or not I should go to this store to shop. You get all the reviews, rating, pictures, everything, the collections that you have. So everything related you get. So information is the primary thing that you get out on Shopaholics.
Okay.
Then comes insights.
Okay.
Now I have 3,000 stores, 40,000 shoppers working on it. I have a team which is working on making sense out of this data. So I tell you which are the best stores to shop for wedding shopping, for example.
Okay.
Christmas is down the corner, where can I go for shopping? What are the best deals that you are getting on sherwanis? And so on and so forth. So you name it and we keep on churning out with relevant information.
Okay. Amazing. So you can explore as well as discover.
Exactly.
And have your own customized choices, in fact. More tailor-made personal.
Okay. And that's where the personal shopping advisor comes in.
Okay.
And last but not the least, the focus is on personalization. So as you said, so if Neha likes a particular brand,
okay,
Shopaholics will help her look for that particular brand wherever she goes.
Okay.
You are at Lower Parel, your Shopaholics will tell you, Neha, you like Charles & Keith, there is a store at Palladium.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
You really are into boots, a new store opens up and you get to know. Charles & Keith reaches out to you specifically because you love that brand.
Okay.
So you get exclusive.
So I see only what I want to see.
You see only what you want to see.
Okay.
Shopaholics gets to know you, so you don't need to ring your friend you used to saying that tell me when there is a sale on, or I am come to Calcutta, I don't know what to do. You get those answers. You could get those answers from on Shopaholics.
So talking about sale, Hemant, I've seen some amazing M coupons on your app. What is that?
That's the icing on the cake.
Okay.
So what we are helping retailers do is make their entire shopping voucher distribution process seamless.
Okay.
And what we are helping shoppers do is get great deals which are exclusive to Shopaholics. If you download our app, you will see a lot of coupons which will be available to you.
Yeah.
These coupons are exclusive coupons which you get on Shopaholics. Go to any store, avail them, and you'll get wonderful discounts.
Okay.
Yeah.
And already one mother's asking me there, Nikita's asking me, are these coupons only exclusive to your app, or is it the same what we get in the
No.
messages?
It is for offline stores, exclusive on Shopaholics.
Okay, wow.
Yeah. So
And I've seen some of them are even claiming 50% off.
yeah,
So you bring a sale in a non-sale period.
actually, that's the idea. So we are, in a way, we are enabling retailers to compete with the online world.
Uh-huh.
You know, so and helping shoppers get a great experience. So you don't have to carry a coupon. You usually forget when you carry a coupon, when you have a coupon, and when you remember it, it's the time when the date has
Yeah,
gone.
yeah.
So now it's in your phone, which you carry everywhere.
Okay.
The reminder is with the app. So Shopaholics tells you that, look, your Charles & Keith coupon is expiring.
Okay.
So it tells you that, you know, you are near a store whose coupon you have. So it makes your life very easy. It makes retailers' life easy. And, you know, Shopaholics is happy to play the bridge.
So Bosky is asking me, Hemant, are these discounts always valid, or there is a certain sale period?
No, not at
Around
all.
it.
So what we
Yeah.
do is, so of course, there might be certain vouchers which are applicable for only a period of time.
Okay.
But what I can assure you is that these vouchers will be applicable for everything, not only on select goods.
Okay.
They would be
Oh.
applicable on new collections. They
Wow.
would be applicable on certain things which you see but you always thought were too expensive. Everything.
Uh-huh.
Do shopping and you'll get those discounts.
So amazing. So it's not just the old-fashioned sale items you get a discount on.
No. That's
Okay.
usually, those are usually disappointing.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
so in this case, no.
Okay, lovely. So Hemant, you were telling me about your founders before we, barged in
Right.
on the Shopaholics questions, because our mothers, I suppose, want to directly dive into the sale factor and the coupons they get in. But you were talking about Abhinav and Chinmay. If you can tell us a little
So-
more about this journey.
So as I said, three of us, we all three of our MBAs, but very different, work experience. So Chinmay is the one who's a marketer and who's the creative guy, thinks out of the box and comes out with very unique solutions.
Okay.
Abhinav has worked very closely on the shop floor. He's run restaurants across Mumbai, so he knows the ground realities. So he's the execution guy, very focused.
Amazing executor
Yeah.
then. Yeah.
And I come from a management consulting background, so I look at strategizing, business planning, creating those plans.
Okay.
So though we three of us are very different, we've come together and gelled very well. So it's been almost a 3-year journey now, and we've worked well together. We've crossed quite a few milestones.
Yeah, amazing 3 years, and I suppose you are like among the market leaders you have in this domain. Quite a niche concept, and guys, the brands what they have on board, like I've seen the app this morning, and I've seen Reebok, I've seen Charles & Keith, I've seen Veromoda, I've seen Only, Soch, Alan Solly, Gant, Gas, everything.
So from Peter England, FBB to Charles & Keith, Veromoda, you have all the brands. We have more than 25 brands on board.
Wow.
Who are giving their coupons, Scullers, 1969, Guess. So you name it and you have it.
And what I've seen very interestingly, Hemant, is you have brands for every wallet, every budget.
Exactly.
So it's a very varied proposition you have in there, from ethnicity, FBB to a Charles & Keith, all being there.
The idea is that what does Shopaholics want? It wants a shopper to have a great shopping experience.
Yeah.
And therefore it should have answers to all the needs that the shopper has.
Uh-huh.
I might want to buy few things and my budget might be very different for those 3 things.
Yeah.
I should be able to do that.
True.
I come to a mall, I should have enough choices. And that's why. So what we are trying to do is to cater to each and every need of a shopper, understand him well, and finally, share with him or her only things which matter.
That's lovely. I'm already excited. I've downloaded the app, guys, and if you also want to experience this, because these are the people who are not like all others who are in the race of e-commerce, wherein they are forcing you to buy it from their app, but I have a very interesting idea wherein they're giving you suggestions, advising you on a personal shopping experience. In fact, you have style trends there, Hemant.
Yeah.
What is that?
So what we have a concept called Style Files.
Style files.
So Style Files is about clicking yourself, and we have photo booths in different malls of the cities.
Okay.
You get yourself clicked. And once you click it, you immediately get some vouchers with you.
Anything going on right now?
So we have one going on in our city. We have one going on in Koram. And
Okay.
what I would personally request you guys to do is go over there, get yourself clicked. There are prizes worth 50,000 to be
Wow.
won, you know,
Okay.
and these are
So
cash
they don't have
vouchers.
to make any purchases. They just go in
Nothing.
the mall.
Go get
to
yourself
your-
clicked, get people to like you,
Okay.
and that's all. And
Oh,
I think
wow.
people would be more than happy to, appreciate you. So it goes without saying. So
And I suppose all the Mumo mothers can back each other up, and because we have already 1,40,000 mothers on Mumbai Mom,
Wow.
so we should all like each other's pictures to make sure that all this 50,000 rupee comes in our pocket. Okay, so amazing offers going on our city and on Koram
Koram,
Thane,
right,
right?
right.
So our city mall in Koram Thane, if you guys are going there and clicking your pictures, do post it in the comments of this live also, so that I'm also aware that you've done it and I can push Hemant further to pass those vouchers to us. Okay, and on that note, Hemant, when I met the team here at Work Square, they told me that you have been among the first few people who have occupied the place in Work Square. This is an amazing co-working space. We all love it. Like we work out of Work Square, you work out of them. So anything about Work Square? Why have you chosen them?
So Work Square, so a large part of our journey has been with Work Square, and
Mhm.
you rightly said that we were the first guys to move in this office. And,
Oh, so you're the first, not among the first.
No, we were the first. I remember the first time Sanil and I sat and we said that we were okay coming in.
Wow.
So I still remember that look on the face, and we both were very excited about it starting.
I'm sure, yeah.
So we both started up at the same time. I keep telling him. So and it's been an amazing journey together. So we've grown together in a lot of ways. It answers all my needs. So I've worked for 15 years in different firms, best of the firms, and I was one of the things that I was quite skeptical about was whether I'll get the kind of infrastructure that I'm used to once I
I'm sure,
start.
yeah.
And so Work Square has been an amazing place to be in, from infrastructure wise, from support wise, and also from connect wise.
Yeah.
So it's
In
been
fact,
a
that's
lucky
the
place,
best part in co-working space and Work Square, where you meet like-minded people, like how we have met Hemant,
Exactly,
and
yeah.
you can network with amazing startups, amazing founders, and even get more inspired every day,
Definitely.
which doesn't really happen in our own office space.
Agreed.
Okay, so lovely. I suppose we all love Work Square, and there's one more reason we love Work Square more, because they bring in Know Thy Brand Square to all our Mumbai mothers, for all of us to experience and understand these kind of amazing founders, these kind of amazing journeys. So on the parting note, Hemant, of course I know my mothers want to talk to you more, and it is an interesting story which we have discussed with you, but I want to ask you on a parting note, what's your advice to all the entrepreneur mothers there, or other entrepreneurs who are watching us from Work Square, because you have been a very enterprising team and you guys have already successfully crossed a lot of milestones. So what's your advice to all these budding mompreneurs and startups and entrepreneurs?
I think one of the things that we've realized is it takes time.
Mm-hmm.
It always takes time.
Mm-hmm.
It takes time to understand a problem. It takes time to execute an initiative,
Mhm.
and it takes time to see results.
Mm-hmm.
So my only advice to whoever I can give is give it time.
Okay.
Yeah, if you believe in an idea, if you are really passionate about an idea, give it time to execute, give it time to fructify, and it definitely will give you results.
Okay, lovely. So I suppose they are a little confused there. I'll pop in a question. Bosky is asking, if I win this coupon, can I use it only on the brand or on Charles and Keith only? So Bosky, right now I'll just announce it for all the mothers also. In fact, very, very thankful to Shopaholics team who have extended amazing price for the viewers who are watching us there. If you share our live video either from Unimo Universe of Moms page or from Work Square page on your own timelines and on your friend's timeline, and tag as many people as possible with the hashtag, of course the mentioned hashtag on the wall copy post, one lucky winner, or either we can give it to two, Hemant. Wow, So two. Third is me. So okay. So two lucky winners get 5,000 rupees worth vouchers, shopping vouchers from Charles and Keith, which is like amazing shoe destination. I love them. So you can go and buy any shoes of your choice. And generally they run a lot of sales also. And with the M coupons there, maybe you can buy a 10,000 rupees, 8,000, 7,000 rupee shoe at 5,000 rupees. And just flaunt it anywhere you want to. And for that you have to just share the video either from Unimo Universal Moms page or from the Work Square page, and you win it. But apart from that, Bosky, they also have M coupons on their app, which is valid on a lot of brands, right?
Exactly. So you download the app, you will find a lot of coupons which will be available to you.
Mm-hmm.
And as we discussed, there is a spectrum of brand that's available.
Correct.
Also, we'll keep telling you new coupons which come in.
Okay.
So,
lovely.
Yeah, we keep talking to brands, and when they extend coupons, we make it available to people who have the app. So you can choose to grab coupons according to your choice. So, if I don't like FBB, I like Veeramonda, so I do that.
Yeah.
Someone else might choose colors. So that's the way it is.
And looking at the coupons you will be choosing, guys, they'll be sending customized messages and more offers specifically on those brands only, so that you see what you want to see, so that you choose which brands you really prefer. So they're not really loading with a lot of information, but only very customized personal advices.
So if you like only, then you'll get information only about only.
Okay.
So not about FBB or colors or Peter England.
Oh, lovely. So that's like amazing freedom at their hand, Hemant, and that's wonderful. And I would like to thank Abhinav, Chinmay and you for bringing in such a beautiful, beautiful app to all of us. And my one of the mother, Palkan, is asking me what is the name of the app. So Palkan, my first video got interrupted, and that's the reason you don't have the app's name right now. It's Shopholics. We'll spell it out for you. It's SHOP Shop, HOLIX. So Shopholics is the name of the app. I'll definitely put it up on the wall copy post of this live also, and even the contest in here, so that you all can download it and do share your experiences on how it was, and support entrepreneurs like Hemant. So amazing, Hemant. Thank you for taking out time and spending this beautiful afternoon with us, and we love the interaction, and we want to see more of Shopholics from you.
Thank you, Neha, and I congratulate you for this wonderful community that you've built. And thank you, everyone. It's been a pleasure being here, and I look forward to many more of such interactions.
Yeah, let's do that more often. So see you guys. See you next time with again an amazing live, which keeps coming to you through Know Thy Brand Square. Thank you, Work Square team, for making this possible. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching us, guys.